Ever wanted to grow your own tropical fruit? It's easier than you think. Today we're excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to plant a pineapple crown in a container. Let's dive in and bring a touch of the tropics into your own space. To obtain the pineapple crown, you can simply twist or cut the leafy top off a ripe pineapple fruit. Next, remove the lowest growing leaves and trim away any excess fruit flesh to expose a clean base. This step is crucial to prevent root rot. Choose a well-draining container that is at least 12 inches wide and deep. Fill the container with a well-draining potting mix or a cactus, succulent soil blend. This type of soil provides the perfect environment for pineapples to grow and flourish. With proper drainage, excess water is able to flow through the soil, preventing the roots of the pineapple plant from becoming waterlogged. This allows the roots to access the necessary nutrients and oxygen they need to support healthy growth. Create a hole in the soil that is slightly larger than the pineapple crown's base. To further enhance the protection of the pineapple base, aloe vera gel will be carefully applied to create a barrier that reduces moisture loss and stimulates healthy root development. This natural solution not only safeguards the delicate base of the crown but also encourages strong and robust growth. By harnessing the natural healing properties of aloe vera, we can guarantee that our pineapple crown not only survives, but flourishes in its surroundings, creating the perfect conditions for root development. The magical properties of aloe vera work wonders in nurturing the pineapple crown, allowing it to establish a strong foundation for growth. With the help of aloe vera, our pineapple crown is destined for success and will soon become a flourishing plant in its environment. Gently place the prepared pineapple crown into the hole, making sure it is secure and upright, and pat down the soil around the base of the plant, ensuring it is firmly in place. This will help provide stability and support for the crown as it continues to grow. Adding a layer of mulch around the base of the pineapple crown is a simple yet effective way to retain moisture in the soil. This not only helps the crown stay hydrated but also reduces the frequency of watering needed. By creating a barrier between the soil and the sun, mulch also helps in regulating the temperature and preventing evaporation. Water thoroughly after applying the mulch to ensure that it is properly soaked. Pineapples thrive when they receive an adequate amount of water, but it is crucial to avoid waterlogging their roots. Remember, to promote optimal growth, it is essential to provide well-drained soil that allows excess water to flow away efficiently. This will prevent the roots from becoming waterlogged and potentially rotting. Finally, place your container in a sunny spot. Pineapples thrive in sunlight, so choose a location with plenty of direct light. And there you have it. Your pineapple crown is now planted and on its way to growing into a beautiful fruit-bearing plant. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts.